Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create an account on the Law Stories Academy website. First, you need to visit our website at lawstoriesacademy.com. Next, you can go here and go into the sign in option from the top right. Once you reach the sign in window, you will have the option if you have already created an account to log in using your email ID or password, or you can sign in using your Facebook or your Google account directly. If you are new here and you want to create an account, you can click on this create an account option. Once you do that, then you can write in your name, your email ID, your password. Once again, you type in your password to confirm it, you agree to the terms, and then you sign up. You can also create an account using your Facebook or your Google email ID. Once you have created your account, you can then go to the official website, you can click on sign in, and you can sign in using your own credentials. The moment you sign in, you will be redirected back to the official website, but now you can go into the dashboard of your website. Once I click it, I enter into the dashboard, and from here I can access everything about my profile, from sample banks to free resources to the course bundle to the live classes and etc. If you still face any problems or have any more questions, you can reach out to us at info@lawstoriesacademy.com, or you can reach out to us on WhatsApp at 98992 05465.